By using the principles of an octopus sucker, the suction cup allows for conveniently and safely hanging or fixing items to a tile or glass surface. Unfortunately, typical suction cups fail to create a perfect vacuum when adhering to uneven or scratched surfaces, resulting in weakened bond strength. And in case of long-term usage, bond strength is lost as the absorption plate hardens. However, GoodSense has improved on these problems and differentiates itself from other suction cups because GoodSense Spiderloc uses a gel-type vacuum plate that perfectly fills the adhesion surface even when uneven and scratched surfaces are invisible to the naked eye. The GoodSense Spiderloc is composed of a hardened pressing plate, a suction plate, a gel-type vacuum wall, an absorption plate, a screw axis that goes through the pressing plate, and a screw pincher that is combined to the protrusion of the screw axis. An additional hanging piece or handle may be attached to the upper part of the screw pincher. As for the principles of adhesion, the GoodSense Spiderloc is pressed against an adhesion surface and a vacuum is created as the screw axis lifts the absorption plate and is fastened by turning the screw pincher. Perfect adhesion is made by placing strong pressure on the absorption plate from an inclined plane of the vacuum wall in a track-type adhesion. The base plane of the gel-type vacuum is 1.5 to 1.8 times wider than its height to maintain a perfect vacuum between the suction plate and the adhesion surface plate. It is necessary to use polyurethane materials with proper viscosity for maintaining a perfect vacuum status. If the vacuum wall or the suction plate becomes contaminated, wash with soapy water and dry before reuse. The patented technology-applied adhesive strength of the GoodSense Spiderloc suction cups has been experimentally tested and verified. You can now use that space that you were once afraid to use before with other suction cup products.